Hello children. Today we will continue the second part of lesson named water on page number 75. The point we are going to understand the first is famine. What do you mean by famine? So famine is if there is no water in one particular region due to some reasons, due to evaporation or due to the heat of the sun, that is the water evaporates quicker and the people have to face the shortage of water for longer period of time. And if for years to years, if this water shortage problem or famine is in continuation, then that people or that place is declared as drought region. Lack of food to human beings, then grass for animals become a shortage for the agricultural places, regions. If there is famine in that place, you also have been heard that famine is there in our country also. Last few years back, a region called as Bid was facing such type of famine for years. It can occur in any part of the world and people have to struggle a lot for food if there is famine in that particular place, and animals and human death also occurs in that particular region. Sources, lakes, bunds, dams, these go dry and the land also dries up due to evaporation. Humans and animals have to face scarcity of water or shortage of water. There is no water for even growing the crop, food for agricultural procedure or agricultural for farmers. This condition is called as famine. A famine is a natural disaster. It is formed due to the changes in the nature. This type of disaster occurs due to the natural disaster or due to the nature changes. How can we handle this situation? How can we stop such type of famines in one particular place? If there is water resource in that place, we can do water management. What is this water management? We will see according to the lesson. So in the rainy season, we should collect the water and store in the storage tanks. We should make proper bunds, dams, and we should store the water for the whole year till the next season, and don't let the water waste during the rainy season. If this type of management is done, the place will not face this type of disaster, that is the famine or drought. Local dams can be built and the government and the people can come together to undertake several works, building smaller reservoirs, counter buildings, then stopping the water from flowing to the other places where it will get of no use, building smaller streams and diverting their directions to the dams, to the rivers or lakes, and store water for 1 year or for years for our use or for the use of animals and forest, or for keeping this earth a good place and a happy place. In some places, wells are dug, riverbeds are allowed to collect water in them. Rainwater falling on from the roofs of houses, that water is placed before a large tank behind that building. Using such simple methods help us to store water more and more possible. It is very important to use water carefully. We should not waste water. We should stop the rainwater flowing away. We must allow the water to get deep inside the ground, to seep into the ground, and then collect it in the tanks. Taking such steps, we will have good resource of water, a good source of water. We will have never have shortage of water. This type of management can be done only in rainy season, and we can prevent ourselves and keep us unaffected from such type of natural disaster, that is famine. So save water. Thank you, children. Complete your question answers in your classwork. Read the lesson carefully. Thank you.